This is the main view of the MXIE software. You can change this depending on your personal preference, and I will show you how to do that in a moment, but let me explain the areas to you briefly. The toolbar area, by default, has the Presence toolbar available, the Actions toolbar, and then the View toolbar. If you would like to enable or disable any toolbar view, simply right-click, and you'll see a list of all the available toolbars. If you do a lot of conferencing, maybe you'd like to enable the Conference toolbar. This area is the Sessions area. It's where your incoming calls and outgoing calls are viewed. You will be able to handle your calls in this area. The reason that you see 4 distinct areas is I am part of 3 other groups. This is my personal extension at the top with my name. Then I'm part of the operator group, and the emergency group, and the service group. Any calls that come into these groups I will see in the particular area. You may or may not see these areas. To the right, you'll see a buddies list. You can populate your buddies list with the people that you call on a regular basis, the people that you transfer calls to, or to simply know if they're busy on the phone, available or not available. And we will go more in depth on the buddies list in a moment. But let me show you how to change this view. If I would want to look at my voicemail, I simply click the voicemail. You'll see it opens up a window that has all my voicemail messages in there. Now if I don't like the way it pushes everything else out of the way, I can simply click and drag to find a place where I would like to place my voicemail messages. Personally, I like to put them down at the bottom. Now the same for the address book. If you click the address book, you'll see that the MX directory is the phone system, so it's everyone that is on your phone system. And you can also link this to your MS Outlook address book. Again, I'm going to simply click and drag it down to where the voicemail button was, release, and now I have tabs that I can toggle back and forth between my voicemail and my address book. I also like to do my call logs that way. The call log keeps a list of incoming and outgoing numbers. I'm going to click and drag. And I'm also going to do that for my parked calls. If someone parks a call on a system hold, I'll be able to visually see it here and double click to pick it up. Now if I don't like the way they're in order, I can simply click and drag, and I can put them in whatever order I prefer. I can also size windows.